Hi there, it's Mrs. Clark, your librarian again. I'm going to tell you about 3 books that are available for checkout in the library today. The first book is called Imposters. Frey and Rafi are inseparable, 2 edges of the same knife, but only one of them is ever seen in public. Frey is Rafi's twin sister and her body double, raised in the shadows of their rich father's fortress. Their powerful father has many enemies, and the world has grown dangerous as the old order falls apart. So while Rafi was taught to charm and raised to be the perfect daughter, Frey has been taught to kill. Her only purpose is to protect her sister, to sacrifice herself for Rafi if she must. When her father sends Frey in Rafi's place as collateral for a dangerous deal, she becomes the perfect imposter. Everyone believes she's her sister. But Cole, the son of a rival leader, is getting close enough to tell the difference. As the stakes grow higher and higher, Frey must decide whether she can trust him or anyone in her life. This is one of our Young Hoosier books this year and is the first book in a series. If you love dystopian series like The Hunger Games or The Maze Runner, you will love this series as well. I sure did. The next book is called Harbour Me. It all starts when 6 diverse kids with learning differences meet for an hour each week to share their real, honest, and often difficult stories with each other. There, in the room they soon dub the Art Room, short for a room to talk, they discover it's safe to talk about what's bothering them. Everything from Esteban's father's deportation and Haley's father's incarceration, to Amari's fears of racial profiling and Ashton's adjustment to his changing family fortunes. When they're all together, they can express the feelings and fears they have that they hide from the rest of the world. Together, they grow braver and more ready for the rest of their lives. This book celebrates the healing that can occur when a group of students share their stories and realize they are a safe harbor for each other. It's beautifully written and packs a big emotional punch. This is one of our Young Hoosier books for next year, actually, and is written by one phenomenal author. Don't miss out on it. The last book I'll tell you about is The Epic Fail of Arturo Zamora. Save the restaurant. Save the town. Get the girl. Make Abuela proud. Can 13-year-old Arturo Zamora do it all, or is he in for a big, epic fail? For Arturo, summertime in Miami means playing basketball until dark, sipping mango smoothies, and taking a few shifts as a dishwasher at Abuela's restaurant. But this summer also includes Carmen, a poetry enthusiast who moves into Arturo's apartment and turns his stomach into a deep fryer. He almost doesn't notice the smug and insincere land developer who rolls into town and threatens to change it. But Arturo refuses to let his family and community go down without fight. As he schemes with Carmen, Arturo discovers the success of poetry, the power of protest, and the help of untold family stories. This funny and vibrant story is about a family, a striking portrait of a town, and one boy's quest to save both. This book has won the Puro Belpré Award and would be a great choice if you're looking for some humor for your next read. If you're interested in any of these books, they'll be available at the circulation desk when you visit the library today. Be sure to check one out and have a fabulous day.